Hi everyone, I would like to share my holiday experience with you to Elounda, Crete. We stayed at the Elounda Hotel, a stunning location with panoramic views. The hotel was perfect for our stay with a rooftop pool and sea restaurant. About a 5 to 10 minute walk into town along the seafront with some fantastic restaurants and scenic views. Here are some of the photos of the hotel. We took a trip out to Sissi, another beautiful location to stay or visit. We then started to make our way up towards Elounda and Stalis, passing some beautiful beaches along the way. Eventually arriving at Stalis, we randomly stopped off at the Panorama Apartments and Hotel for refreshments and cool off in the fabulous pool. Our final brief trip out took us to Agios Nikolaos on the west coast of Crete, a fabulous place to visit with some fantastic tavernas and restaurants. And finally back to the resort of our stay Elounda for a well-earned evening of relaxation. Thanks everyone for watching my video and hope this has been informative and helpful. If you are planning your next trip, to support and grow my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you.